Hello folks, welcome to Project Reboot. Doing another tech donation video today. It's Thursday the 1st of August 2019. Just got 2 trolleys worth of stuff arrived. If you want to stick around and have a look, see what we've got today, sit back, grab a coffee and enjoy what's going to go on. Right, let's do it, Nige. Let's grab a whole load of things out of here, stick them on the deck, see what we've got. Looks like someone's been doing PC upgrades. This has just come in from a local business, from Tim. He's an IT support chap, runs an own company up in Old Town in Swindon. His clients have done recent upgrades. Over time, people have brought in boxes for upgrades, just left them there. So, let's see what we've got. HP Pavilion. Whenever I see that little thing down there, it sends a shiver down my spine. Looking inside, pretty much standard fare. Presumably there's an AMD under there and a stick of RAM. Not going to get too excited about this, are we? If you're a regular viewer, thanks for sticking with it. Hope it's been quite interesting over the last few weeks. If you're a new viewer, thanks for tuning in. We are a computer and laptop environmental recycling charity. The environmental charity, has been in Swindon since 1985. We've been running Project Reboot for 4 years now, 4.5 years. How do you get into this, Nige? Here we are. Classic. Always doing that. Nothing on that side. Right, now I know how to get into this. Give us a thumbs up if you like this. Subscribe to our... Did you get in, Nige? There we go. Subscribe to our channel for more Ooh, pretty. Oh, it's another one of them. And the most ridiculously tall RAM I've ever seen. Let's get those out, have a look at that. Oh, look at this. Ridiculous. Look at the size of these RAM. Here's a normal RAM stick. Heat sink on this. Oh, good old HyperX. DDR2, you might note. So, what's inside? What's the chip? Have a guess. Leave a comment. Next. And what's the board? It's a Sapphire Crossfire something. Doesn't say what the model number is. I can't spot it right away. Anyway, we have a Dell PowerEdge. What is it? It's an SC440. It's an old server with Windows Server 2003 on it. Have a look in here, shall we? You get to see this exactly the same time as I've seen it. First time. No rehearsals here. Here we are. So it's got an Intel Xeon in it. I suppose it's an early Xeon. Not much to see in here. I mean, you've got to admire Dell's build quality. That's all I can admire about that really right now. We'll have a look a bit later see what the chip is. Next. Standard fare for us, HP Pro Slimline. This is a Pro 3300. Got several of those. Gary brought a load of those in. There we are. I think I've got 6 of those left. I think we had about 2 dozen of those. So they're going. Typically, this has an i3 2120 in here. That's what the other ones have had. Next one is an HP Compaq. Oh, what is it? I can't see it. Need to get my X-ray specs on. Let's have a look, quick look inside, see what we've got. You get to see this the same time as me. What do you see? What do you see? Not a lot, I hear you say. I mean, I do that reveal, you know, as expecting to find something surprising, amazing. Who knows what you might find in one of these boxes. Next. Right, we've got an Optiplex 360. There we go. Core 2. No, it's a Pentium in this one. Oh, someone's missing their Logitech mouse dongle, unique to that particular keyboard. All right, here we go then. There we go, that side. Anything in there? Oh, not much. Next. And that's one trolley down. Let's get the next lot out. Hope you're still sticking around for the rest of this. Dell Optiplex 380. Any surprises in here? Anything in there? Nope. All these have had the drive stripped out of these. Next. What's this, Nige? Oh, it's a HP with a Core 2 V Pro in it. Let's have a look in this one. Anything exciting in there? Well, the only thing that I can see it's any good here, possibly good in brackets, is what looks like to be ATI or AMD 4350, HD 4350 perhaps. Yeah, with HDMI on the back. So I reckon that could be a 4350, is it? It's a 4350. It is indeed, Nige. It is indeed. My powers of visual identification are getting better. There you are. It's a 4350. 512 gigs on board. Alright, I know this isn't a great card. Yeah, it's a silent card. This is purely just to get 3 outputs. I don't think it can do 3 outputs, can it? I don't know, probably 2 outputs. It's not a famous card, obviously. It's probably worth about, I think you can buy these for about 40 quid. It's quite an old card, but nevertheless, if you just need an output, that'll do it. HP 3125, I think this is. Uh-oh, got another one of them stickers on the front. Why do I not get too enthusiastic about these AMD stickers? Because I like Intel. Always have done, always had an Intel. And the early AMD, I'm not talking about the Ryzen series, just the early AMD series and the fan heater notoriety of those. Let's see what we got here. Anything in there? Not a lot. Even the RAM's missing on this one. Move on, Nige, move on. Alright, and lastly, in the PC stuff we've got in, this is HP 5000B or something like that, HP. See what's in this one. And then we'll move on to the laptops then. You still with us, are you? So, there we go. What have we got in there? Looks like there's even less in there. Something's missing here, isn't it? Big hard drive bay, perhaps? Anyway, that's it for PCs. Actually, it's not the last one, because I just had this in. This is a Dell Optiplex 745. I think that we originally built and has got donated back to us. Don't know how old it is. We'll have a look at the records because I keep a log of everything, serial numbers, etc. Here we are. So what's this? Build number 25. Build number 25. That's really old. We built, these had Linux Mint 17.1 on these on a 160 gig drive. These have got Pentium Ds in these, I believe, and DDR2, probably 2 gigabytes. Let's just look up the record and see when we did this. Here we are, the Dell Optiplex 745 Pentium D, 2 gigs of, 4 gigs of DDR2 in there. This was built on the 3rd of the 6th, 2015, and it's been used ever since, so it's had a good life. If you want to know what happens to a drive when we get one in, this is going to be securely wiped to British HMG IS5 Enhanced, 3 passes plus a verify and a certificate. This goes in my wiping rig here. I'll show you that very quickly. It goes in there. I'm looking at Disk Manager. He's got a partition on that 160 gig drive. So I'm going to fire up Active Kill Disk. Here we go. That's found the drive. I'm just going to hit wipe or kill. British HMG IS5 Enhanced. That'll create a log file. Let's go. Alright, that'll take about 2 hours, maybe 3 hours to wipe. Does 3 passes. Those are the PCs done. Got a Draytech Vigor 2800 VG router. Router box. We've got, oh, what's this? HP in a state of disrepair or repair. Intel Core i3 in here. Oh dear. I guess it's no good. We'll have the screen. Screen will be all right. What is it? It's an HP. It's an HP 250 with lots of things missing. Keyboard's all right. The keyboard's got a fracture on it. So, one broken laptop, no RAM, no nothing. Next. Another Draytech switch, 24 port. I'm going to put those on eBay. Huggy's going to do those. Right, what's this? This is a Dell, missing bits. It's a Dell, Dell laptop, with bits missing. Screen might be all right. Screen might be, keyboard's all right. I'll use those bits. The rest is probably scrap. And finally, a Dell. Ooh. It's a. I zoom in on that one. Actually, it's something that looks not bad. It's a Dell Precision M 4700. There it is. All looks to be in order. Might be able to get that one going. So that's that lot done. Thanks for watching. Check out our Facebook page, there it is right there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give us a like, leave some comments in the section below. Always good to read that. Tell us where you are in the world. Hope you enjoyed this little rummage around in tech this week. Thanks very much for watching. See you next week.
Jurassicom Productions.